Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see method overloading in Java. Uh, I'm going to give the definition for this method overloading. If a class has multiple methods having the same name but different parameters, in other word we can say different signature, it is known as method overloading. Okay. In alternative way, you can say compile time polymorphism. Okay. Yeah, polymorphism also works like this. Yeah, in the next video we will see a method overriding as well, so stay tuned and watch all those videos which will help you in interviews. Okay, so I'm not only covering the exact method overloading, I will give you the tips and how some of the tips I will give you, okay, while doing the hands-on practice code. So do follow our channel, so you will learn a lot. Okay, first of all, we will see why it's so used in code. If you have to perform only one operation having same name of the method, increases the readability. Okay, which will have the readability if you are using the same method. Okay, we know what the method we are calling again and again, and what are the different operations we are doing. And the advantage is increasing readability, yeah, exactly. And types of overloading, changing the number of arguments and changing the data type. I will tell you one by one. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create a method in here. For example, add int a, int b. Okay, simple. A, b. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm going to overload the same method with this different argument. Add int a, int b, int c. Whatever variable name you can give. Okay, it is not the big deal. A, b, c. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to call one more method for loading string s1, s2, string s2, and within this method I'm just gonna print the s1 and s2. I'm putting the small space. Okay, we have three methods with the same name with a different parameter. Okay, and we are going to print this all. For that we have to create a object for method overloading. Yeah, so if you don't want to create an object, so you can just simply put the static keyword before the method. Okay, method name in here. If you are putting static keyword, that will give you, you don't need to create a object or call the object reference. That will give you an output. I'll tell you and I'll show you how it's working. So we are going to put static keyword, one of this method. Okay, but the method overloading also same, but we are going to never going to call the object reference. Let's see. Add, what is this? We are going to put the number, random number, because we give the parameter, right? So we have to put some value for that. Add, same method name with a different, sorry, I call the same method. Yeah, there you can see 4, 5, 6, 8 or something. Yeah, for this one method I'm not going to call the object reference, because we already made it as a static, and now itself it is class state. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's begin. Add What was that? String 1, string 2. Yeah, I am going to give uh, codes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we completed a code. So let's see the output now. Yeah, 10, 17, maha. But I gave the code, right? Why it shows like this? Is there a problem now? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I made a mistake in here. I used S1 and S1. I'm going to put S2. Yeah, Maha codes. Yeah, that's cool. We made it. This is the method overloading, the proper structure. This is enough to explain in interviews as well. Okay, this is very basic, very simple. So you can minimize these steps as well. So you can just put any of the parameter, one parameter, one signature, two signature, three signature. That is enough, and you can just call them like this, and you can simplify you can call the method without using the object of runs. That will make the difference. Stand from crowd in interviews. Yeah, use the static keyword and use or call the method and get the output. That's it. I hope this video helpful. So we will see the method over